Hey, it's your travel agent David, and we are in Ensenada. Just got back from my excursion, and now we're going to walk around the port. Not very much to see or do here, but we're going to go walk into town. They do have a shuttle that for $4 will take you into town. It's like a 10-minute walk, so I'm going to go take the walk in and see what we can find. There's literally no port. It's really like a shipping container port with a building in it that you can come in and out of for cruise ships. But they have had over 1 million passengers in 2023. So according to that sign right there. When you come out, this is the area where the buses are for your excursions. If you take the snorkeling excursion that I did, you're going to do about a 7-minute walk to get to the pier to get onto the ship. But Ensenada is a pretty nice little mountain coastal town. Don't know what I was expecting, but this wasn't it. Let's go check it out. While you're in Ensenada, you can expect to see California sea lions and harbor seals. You may see some dolphins during the summer. The whales come here and mate. You might see killer whales here, blue whales, gray whale, but you'll see a lot of pelicans here as well. The main reason why I'm walking is to get my steps in, but also for you. So when we were walking over to the pier, I got told about 2 different bridges, and one takes you to one place and one takes you to the other. So I want to go there so I can show you about them just in case you want to walk as well. Now, if you don't have an excursion and you don't want to go into town and you want to get off the ship, about a 3-minute walk on the way out of the port, you're gonna have a large Ensenada sign that you can take a picture of, and you can poke your head inside a couple sea lions' faces and have the body of a sea lion in the face of, well, you. About a 5-minute walk from the ship is this black bridge. If you follow this black bridge past the Puerto de Ensenada sign, keep going, you're going to come up to the black market. Now, the black market isn't what you're thinking. It's actually their fish market, and I was told that you can go there, you can pick out fish, take it to the restaurant next door, and then they'll cook it for you for a small fee. So you can actually get like the freshest fish out there and have it cooked at a restaurant for you. So I don't like fish, so I'm not going to go that way. But if you like fish, you can. Now, about a minute walk after the Black Bridge is this bridge here, and this one I was told will take you to the boulevard. So there's a 7-Eleven there. I can see a Carl's Jr. It's probably got a lot of shops on there, so we're gonna go check that out and see what we can find. So this main street coming through is Lazaro Cardenas Boulevard. So this is I guess where all the shops are at. I see a Subway now as well. You can rent ATVs and bikes from right here as well. Just past the Carl's Jr., they have this little bazaar set up here. So there's a lot of different unique things you get. So if you're looking for souvenirs, it's probably where you want to come. Now, if you're one of those people that love to go to the ports and check out Diamonds International and you're sad that they didn't have one, don't worry, they got one. Now, if you're looking for some Italian or Japanese food while you're here in Ensenada, right across the street from Carl's Jr. is a Japanese cuisine and then an Italian restaurant as well. Now, if you're out and about and you need to use a restroom, they have restrooms right over here by Key 1. So if you see the sign QUAY 1, QUAY 2, those are keys. Key 1, Key 2, not Quay. So if you ask for Quay, they're going to be like, no comprende. But that's what that means. If you plan on coming to Ensenada and you don't plan on going anywhere and you want to get off the ship, bring a soccer ball. They have a little soccer field right here as well. It's pretty nice. There's AstroTurf. They got some bleachers out there. They got the goals. So just something to do if you want to just kill some time and get some exercise. If you plan on taking a waterborne excursion from here, and at least from the port, where the pier is right outside of the port, if you look to your left as you're going out to the ocean, there's a naval base there, Mexican naval base. So if you like naval ships, you might be able to see one. There was one, it looked like maybe a destroyer in there when we were coming back in. But when you're going out, you want to look to the right because it got rocks out there and the pier that the sea lions hang out on. And there's a couple of the little buoys in the water that they hang on as well. So a lot of scenery to look at around here. You can probably get to the pier on your own and walk down and look for the sea lions. There's just probably about 40 or 50 of them there. Well, that completes our time at Ensenada. We're back at the ship. Again, it's about maybe a 10-minute walk into the main boulevard there. And You know, you can go walking around. They got all kinds of different restaurants in there. If you're looking for a pharmacia to get some things that are over the counter here that aren't in the States, they have one right by the 7-Eleven as well.